And so there's this continued alpha, delta, psi failure to meet the standards of the woman who does the behavioral psychiatry and psychology for all those who are ethnicity declared white, confused, misdirected, hallucinating, and enjoying their psychedelic flowers they grow at their 1,000 million, $100 trillion house they bought with their degree from Harvard, where they watched Buddhist monks eat. But never could explain their mystery. They repeatedly call critical race theory now. And when those countries who fund those teachers who provide those PhD dissertation certificates and diplomas for now, don't say a word. However, hide in the shadows, quiet and silent, with their pants down, and their Viagra and their steroids on display for their wives in their kitchens who have no gender, preparing for a funeral. Now, important, when after all these years in Chicago, where my cousin lives, and those probably thousands of children who have died already, are not an Alpha Delta Psi, they're an ADP from Lockheed Martin. They're not some schizophrenic paranoia from some Deleuze-Guattari theory and philosophy at the University of Washington where the Huskies fight the Cougars. Culture and dialect and ethnicity, smoke pot, puff, hookah lounge, tobacco, and hear the whispers I hear next door and think the sounds that I hear down the hall are a declaration socialism and communism no longer need the United States Navy and a ship and a color called. You're watching a painting two children made for a nanny who was and still has been and will continue to be an essential worker, a babysitter, pediatric, medical, neurology, physics, robot, painting, example of abuse and suffering, emotion and images and videos and sounds and noise and mystery suspense and the thrilling surprise of what gets slammed and broken, banged, and said next about a dominance of awareness. One gender woman who's female neutral makes her calm. And therefore her and they and them and this and all of those other personalities live next to a racist for having a Lance Armstrong "Live Strong" sticker on a door. Now,